Now, there are a number of things to be finalized by the Premier League Football Jamaica Limited ahead of the new season, one of which is to find a new chairman. However, the individual sitting in the chair at the moment doesn't believe he's the man for the job.
There had been a couple of movements at the PFJL in recent times. Yoni Epstein walked away as the chairman of the Financial Committee, and he was followed by another committee member, Peter Gould. But their roles have been filled by Peter Higgins and Andrew Thomas. Before Epstein and Gould departed, Livingston Morris, who replaced Chris Williams as chairman, cut his time short after 5 months in the post. That role is currently occupied by Donovan White on an interim basis.
We fully anticipate that at the end of the season we will have our strategic review, as we must have as a company. As I said before, we have quite a bit of issues to discuss on the strategic level, which we fully intend to have that discourse and to involve some of our, if not all of our major stakeholders in that process. But the full aim out of that will be obviously to identify new blood, as they say, to inject into the organization. And out of that process, we believe we will be able to find the person that we believe can continue to lead the organization.
Despite acting in the role, White doesn't see himself taking on the position full-time.
And in the current dispensation of how the PFJL is structured, I could not be chairman. And again, I say that is not an ambition of mine. What my ambition is to continue to be a serving member of the board, as long as my club will have me do so.
But not many people, including Harborview's chairman Carvel Stewart, is in favor of an independent chairman, which could put White in line to carry on.
My role as of right now is to steer the ship forward and to keep us on a positive path, to keep us moving forward, to ensure that we maintain and adhere to our governance policies, and to ensure that our board operates as it should.
And there are members of the board who believe that the PFJL should beg Williams to return to the post.
I can't speak for my board members, and I won't attempt to. But I don't believe that the organization will ever get to a situation where we beg anybody to participate.
Meanwhile, the legal hearing between the PFJL and their broadcast partners, Pivot LLC, has been delayed to May 7. This came after the PFJL filed some last-minute affidavits. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.